Welcome back to What's the Buzz in Western New York. The hometown heroes who have served our country deserve the best health care available. The VA Western New York Healthcare System does just that. I visited the facility on Bailey Avenue recently and met the team that is defining excellence. Hey, Western New York. We're at the Veterans Hospital on Bailey, the VA, and we're going to meet the director of the hospital, Mr. Stiller. Hi, Mr.
Kim,
Stiller.
welcome.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for what you do for our community here. Yep. And of course, I think most people in Buffalo are familiar with the VA on Bailey Avenue, but you have lots of other places, lots of other locations. Where else can veterans find your service?
So obviously for Bailey, we have specialty care and primary care here at Bailey Avenue. We also have primary care and community living centers in Batavia. Then we have access points for primary care in Niagara Falls, Lockport, Olean, Jamestown, Springville, and Lackawanna. Lackawanna and Springville are quasi-connected.
So really, you're all over Western New York. You're accessible, you're available. You're a veteran as well.
Yes, I am.
And what branch of the service were you in?
The United States Navy.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
And so we're going to take today and go through the facility, take a look at all of the things you have to offer, and we'll see you before we leave.
All right, enjoy. Welcome.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Stiller. Hi, Dr. Stringfellow.
Well, hello.
It's so nice to be here. Thank you for having us at the VA hospital.
Oh, thank you so much for coming today.
Of course. Let's start our talk about what can a veteran expect when they come here to the VA hospital?
Well, we have a breadth of services that are tailored for the needs of our veterans. We have primary care and specialty services as well as mental health services. Our primary care is focused on the health and wellness of our veterans with medical home models that serves breadth of their needs. We also have some very specialized mental health services with a breadth of providers specially trained with their needs, and our specialty has a wide scope of services from cardiology to vascular surgery.
So it's really everything. It's a head-to-toe approach to the health, the well-being, the care of our veterans.
It certainly is.
And then, of course, there are advances in technology, and the VA is taking advantage.
We certainly are. We have such a breadth. We have electronic medical record, which is actually getting close to 20 years old, which has helped with safety with communication and retaining our veterans' medical records. When we had Hurricane Katrina, those records were preserved and our veterans could get their care without any gap.
And they can get their care at other VA hospitals.
Yes, they can.
Well, thank you so much, Doctor. There's so much to see and for our veterans here. Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is Joyce O'Brien, the manager of audiology. Hello, Joyce.
Hi, and welcome to our department.
Thank you. So explain to us what we're seeing here in the background.
Well, we have John, our patient, who's having a hearing test, and Julia is a graduate student from the University of Buffalo who's assisting us today.
And I understand that there are some new wonderful things available to the community that have to do with your audiology.
Yes. We're very excited to let the community know that we now have direct scheduling for hearing tests and for eyeglasses for any enrolled veteran.
What does direct scheduling mean?
So what that means is that a veteran can contact the clinic directly and schedule the hearing test or the eyeglass appointment without having to go through their primary care provider.
Oh, that's wonderful. So it eliminates a step. It simplifies things.
That is correct.
So that a vet can go ahead, schedule their appointment, get right in. How convenient.
And it's wonderful for them because they are able to bypass and come right to our clinic, and the access is wonderful for us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stacy Chimay, hi, it's good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I know that good nursing is the heart of good health care. So tell me a little bit about your nursing staff here at the VA.
I am so proud of the nurses that work here. We are so proud of our world-class, award-winning nurses who come to our medical center and stay for their entire nursing career. They focus on our veterans, and they focus their career on caring for our veterans, which promotes a strong bond with a focus on caring and healing. We're proud that this year several of our nurses were award recipients as the Nurse of the Year by the March of Dimes, Professional Nurses Association, and the New York State Organization of Nurse Practitioners. We have the lowest nurse turnover rate among all veterans hospitals in New York State. Our values of integrity, commitment, advocacy, respect, and excellence. It's a part of our nursing DNA.
Well, I can see why you're so proud of your nursing department.
We really are.
Mr. Stiller, thank you so much for having us in here today. This is a fantastic facility.
Isn't it amazing?
It really is.
On behalf of Fred, myself, and the staff here, our veterans, and the non-veteran staff, our superstars, we want all our veterans to know that this place is here for them and they have the right to access it and help them find it. So thank you for being here today.
Thank you, and thank you for what you do for Western New York.
Thank you.
VA healthcare is defining excellence in the 21st century. The VA Western New York Healthcare System is located at 3495 Bailey Avenue in Buffalo and 222 Richmond Avenue in Batavia. In Buffalo, you can call 716-834-9200 or toll free 1-800-532-8387. Go online for all the information you need if you're a veteran or have a loved one who may need care at buffalova.gov. That's it for this November edition of What's the Buzz in Western New York. I'm Kim Piazza. Be sure to follow us on social media, like WBBZ-TV on Facebook, and join the conversation at WBBZ on Twitter. As always, thanks for watching your hometown Me TV station.